How to delete YouTube Shorts history and watch history. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up YouTube on a device. Now tap on the Shorts icon at the top right corner. Now keep holding the Shorts history you want to delete and tap on remove. Now repeat the same process for all the history you want to delete. If you want to delete all the history at once, including your watch history, simply go back, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner, then go to Settings at the top right corner. Now tap on Manage All History. Now wait for some time and tap on the Delete button. Now select a time range. Now once you select it, tap on Delete. Now tap on Got It. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.